You guys ready? Here we go. Back to back crazy. Whoa.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$2,922 winners in this round out. Still, congratulations to you, and betting time is all yours. Okay, now decent amount of numbers. Bring back bonuses, I guess. How to play option is available though. Let's go. Good luck. Ooh! 7x on Pachinko. I would love that. I would love that. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. I told you I would love that. Pachinko 7x from the top spot. Oh, baby. Fun, fun, fun. All right, what's up? Yeah. Hey, work? No? Work? Okay, stop shining. It's okay. Starting with, hello. 10, 15, 20 feet. Okay, well, times 7. So 300 feet TX is gonna be the max. I would so love that. I would so love that 300 feet TX. Just let us have it, please. Mwah. Good luck. Please, please, please.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,345,668 euros.
6,868 winners here. Congratulations. Top winner over 160,000 euro win for you. Let's go. That is. What is going on? Woo! Alright, I'll take that, definitely.
I will marry you today. That is a bold statement, but you know what they say? When you are dreaming, close your eyes. You know, so you realize that it's not reality, but it's a dream. So, bets close, good luck. On a cash hunt, good luck. Oh, nice. It is a cash hunt with 5x top slot. Oh, can we get a 500x? Okay, we are having a lot of hundreds, and with the top slot, they all will turn into 500s. Oh, the board is looking beautiful. Look at all the 500s. And there were 250Xs as well there. And I saw some hundreds, but there were plenty of 500Xs. So I got a feeling that so many players will get 500. And everybody will be happy afterwards. So, ladies and gentlemen, hope your choices have been made. Because here's the...
This is the amount of money issued 726,710 euros.
board we have. Congratulations, everyone. And 988 players with a 500x. Oh,
congratulations, everybody. Well done. Top 5 winners. Betting time. Some crazy time. Well, at least we got it. At least we got it. Can we get crazy? Please let us have crazy. Thank you. Crazy time. 3x from the top. Let's play. Well, everybody, follow me. Hello. Welcome everybody to Crazy Time. Okay, cool. We're gonna turn that 100x into 300x because of that 3x from the top spot, everybody. And it would be so nice to double it as well, if anything, you know, just saying. Alright, well, it's now your decision time. Which flapper do you want to go for? Green one, blue one, or yellow one? If you cannot pick in time, how to pick, that's it for you. Most of you went for the blue flapper. Over 40% actually. Max multi is 300x. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 966,533 euros.
45 for the yellow, 75 for the green, 300x for the blue team. 6,843 winners in this round.
Congratulations to all of you on betting time it is right now. All right, moving on. So I'm wishing you guys all the best. Enjoy. Cash in and 2x, guys. What's up for shows it? And let's take a look what's going to happen here. So the winning result is going to be a cash hunt. All right, let's head there to find out what exactly you're going to have, shall we? Oh boy, highest player in this time is gonna be, ooh, is it what I'm thinking it is? Yep, it's 500x, guys, so I wish you. Oh, wait a sec. Ah, there's a tufts of multipliers as well. Okay, didn't recognize that. 2x, guys, so 1000x is gonna be the highest one, and I wish you good luck. Actually, already for the second time today, we are having a match with our cash hunt because 2500x was the best multiplier of our time together today, and it was exactly with the cash hand and 5x as additional multiplier. So now 1000x as well, not bad, that's for sure. Okay, 108 symbols you're having on the wall. You need to pick one under which, in your opinion, that highest one in this time 1000x is hiding, and the same symbols doesn't mean they're same multipliers underneath. Alright, let's reveal the multipliers.
This is the amount of money issued to 184,367 euros.
Thanks to all of you. Well done, everyone, and let's head back to the wheel. So 96 people got this 1000x, guys, and Rosie's the top one with 40,040 euro winning. Congratulations and betting time. Alright, guys, so I wish you all the best. We're so good. Okay, you're not talking with me anymore? Okay. Okay. No problem. And let's move on. So I'm wishing you all the best. Where are you from? I'm from Latvia. So Crazy Time and 3x, guys, what's up the shows? Of course, hey, Michael, thank you for all that motivational speech, but for what we are doing this? Oh, finally. Oh, it's a match. It's a match with the top sub because that's the shows Crazy Time and 3x, and Crazy Time is as the winning result. Let's go. All right. Let's add up that 3x maybe. Let's do that. So let's see what you're going to have here, ladies and gentlemen. You need now to decide which flapper will have a highest multiplier. Options you can choose from are green, blue, or yellow. Majority, as always, thinks it's going to be a blue one. Last time when we had a Crazy Time, blue one had the lowest one, but well, let's hope that it's going to be different this time. 300x is going to be the highest one, and let's go for those doubles.
This is the amount of money issued 876,577 euros.
This one actually blue is getting the best one. 45x on yellow, 75x on green, and 300x on blue, guys. Alright, congratulations to all of you. 10,314 in total. 812 is the top one, so well done everyone. And let's move on. That was lovely. By the way, I think that officially we have had every single segment in this session. Okay, let's move on. Spin time. And I'm wishing you guys good luck. So enjoy. Cash in and 5x, guys. What's up the shows? And no. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, look what we are having there. We are having a match because Topset shows cash in and 5x and hash cash in becomes as a winning result. So let's do this. Let's add up that 5x. Do you know what that means? Ladies and gentlemen, multiplying by 5, it means that the highest one of this round is going to be 2,500x. Alright? That's going to be the highest one, and I'm wishing you good luck. Well, I wasn't expecting that 500x is going to be as the beginning highest one. But here we are having 2,500x as the highest one of this round. So this is wonderful. It means, guys, that you are having now 108 symbols on the wall. You need to pick one symbol under which, in your opinion, that highest one is hidden. And same symbols doesn't mean they are same multipliers underneath. So I'm wishing you all the best and final seconds left. All right, let's...
This is the amount of money issued 365,883 euros.
Congratulations, all of you. Beautiful round this was, and let's head back to the wheel. So 67 people got this multiplier. Nice job. 8-1 is the top winner with 18,213 euro winning. So well done in betting time. You got it. Ertik, congrats. No, 375x Derby is kind of great as well, in my opinion. No, guys, my compliments. Not really. I understand a little bit, but I don't really speak Russian. Ooh, yeah. So far, yeah, winning most rounds. That's close luck. Here we go. 5x and praise time. Well, can't regret that. Can't regret that. Maybe. Oh, we did it. Let's go. Crazy time with 5x on the top slot. Woohoo. Let's go. Let's buy our beautiful top slot. And now it would be really nice if we also got a double. So, time to choose your team. Oh, we have a triple even. Oh, that would be nice. So, blue, green, or yellow. Which team will you be a part of? Here we go.
This is the amount of money issued 1,218,004 euros.
Next for the yellow, but blue, 500 for you. Wow, very, very nice for the blue team, 500 eggs. Congratulations. And of course the green and the yellow teams as well.
Betting time. I hope you get what you give. Love, you mean? Well, thank you. And friendship. Yeah. You guys ready? Here we go. Back to back crazy. Oh. Well, there's a 10x on the crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. So best of luck to all of you, and let's continue. How's it looking this time? We got it. Look at that, everybody. Hey. That's the crazy time with a 10x top slot on it. Oh, yeah. Well, follow me. Oh, yes. Yes. A crazy time, my good friend, with a 10x top slot. Hey. Look at that. Nice. Oh, yeah. Alright, everybody. Are you guys ready? Look at that. 10x. There goes the big explosion. It goes on everything. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Alright, everybody. Green, blue, yellow is the situation right now. Oh, yeah. Alright, take your time, guys. Take your time. So, we are fighting for 1000x multiplier. Best of luck, everybody. Let's do this.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,776,866 euros.
So, that's a 200x green, 250 on blue, and a beautiful 500x on yellow. Hey. Oh, yes.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.